All right, guys, we're going to show you how to crown wood. All right, we're crowning floor joists right now, and we're using 2x10s and doing this. Alrighty. Now the crown, when you find the crown is like this. It's like a hump in the wood. It goes up like that. Okay. It's a defection in the wood, and like we said before, that is because of sin. Because before the flood, we know the trees were perfect; they grew straight. But because of sin, the trees got bows in it. They don't grow, straight and everything. So when you build, you have to make up for that. You have to know where your crown is. Okay? Now again, the crown is the hump. And the reason why you have to know where the crown is in a floor joist is because when you set your floor joist, you want to set with the crown up. Okay? Because what happens is moisture leaves the wood and comes back into the wood, expands it. And so when it leaves it, the crown goes down and it makes your floor straight. Okay? But if you put your crown on the bottom, it will sag. So then you'll have that creak in the floor. So it's important that your crown always goes where? Up. Now, if you have a piece of wood and you say, wow, this is a perfect piece of wood, this thing looks straight, but then you turn it around and you see the perfection, you always want to put the imperfection, put the imperfection up. So it's almost like a deception. You see it nice and perfect and you want to put that the way it is, but you can't fall for that deception. Alrighty? So when you're crowning the lumber, you go like this. See, that's a piece of lumber, a 2x10. You take it like this and you put it like this on the side. Now, you don't look straight down it like that because the crown is going to go up. So you look to the side and you can be able to see that crown. Now, and then you look over here and you won't, and you'll be able to see if it has a crown or not. So you look on both sides. So now I already see the crown. So would someone like to try to look at this and see where they can see the crown? You want to try? Okay. Remember, it goes up. Sometimes it may be slight. So go ahead. And you look on the other side, look at the bottom to judge it. Okay, where's the crown at? No. Which side? Is it on this side? Does this crown up or is this side crown up? You think this side crowns up? Alrighty. Anyone else want to try? Try? Remember, you're looking on the side. If it has a slight hump, or if this side has a slight hump. Okay? You think this side. So, Brianna said this side, but Don says this side. Would you guys like to try it?
Sure.
Want to try? Brother Lemon or sister? Go ahead, Brother Lemon.
See who has the eyes to have. Huh?
Remember, you're looking on the side, not on the top, but on the side, to see if the top is crown, any crown. Okay. See if there's the other part.
I see it on this side.
Okay. All right. Brother Lemon says the crown is on this side. Brother Don Mitchell says the crown is on this side. Brianna said the crown was on this side. But Brother Lemon and Brother Mitchell were correct. You guys are right. You can see the sign. Now I want to show Brianna this, okay? Now watch this, Brianna. You see there's a slight hump and it goes down? See, there's a slight hump, very slight. And then over here, you don't really see any humps. See that? You don't really see a hump. See? So that was it. So they were right. It is this side, okay? But everybody's, you can get a chance to try again. So now we know the crown is that way, so we mark it with an arrow that way. And then we go on the other side, the end of it, we mark it with an arrow this way. So whoever's handling this piece of lumber on whichever side, they won't have to think. They know where the crown is because we marked it. Alrighty? All right, that's it.